Hello, potato. I thought you're not today. You're not here today. I came here. I opened the Zoom for a few minutes ago, and you weren't there. But now you're back. Okay, are you now ready for today's class, potato? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so this will be today's class, potato. Please read. What is the class for today? We have, what's this? We have,
A day work.
wait, sorry. For what? So we have here a day,
Day work.
a day's work. Again, butang, wait, butang. Again, potato, please read. We have a day's work. Again,
Day work.
days. Again, days. A day's work. Again,
Day's work.
very good. So this lesson is all about a day's work. Okay. So here, potato, I want you to look here. Look at here. All right. Look at the photo in here. I have here 7 photos. Can you please write here, potato? What are their jobs or work? Okay. What are their jobs or work? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Go. Look carefully.
Okay.
Okay, go. Please write, potato.
Cái này. Gì?
Come on, potato. Look at number 1. What's the work of number 1?
I don't know.
Okay, look at number 1. What's the work of number 1? That is a mechanic. Come on, can you write the spelling of mechanic?
No.
Give it me. Okay, write M-E-C-H.
What?
M-E.
I don't write.
Number 1, in number 1, letter M-E. Wait, write this one, potato. Potato, look at here, write this one.
What?
M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C. Come on. Me mechanic, number 1. Here, M. E, next, C-H. Oh, just choose in here, potato, just choose in here, okay? Or after J, it's a J. Journalist. Okay, just choose here. Oh, wait, I cannot write. I can't what? Cannot write?
Yeah.
Why? Wait me. That's one. That's your writing already. Just choose here. Potato, I will write here your choices, okay? Just choose your answer here. So what? Check appeal, uy. Wait.
I don't.
You cannot write?
Yeah.
Why? Okay, just tell me. Okay, potato, what is number 1? What do you call or what is the work of number 1? Number 1 is?
Mechanic.
Okay, a mechanic. What is the work of the mechanic, potato? So here, 1 is mechanic. Next. How about number 2? What's the work in number 2?
Cook.
Okay, very good. Draw lines to the cook. Next, number 3. What's number 3, potato? 3. 3 is? What's the answer 3? Ah, photographer. Next, number 4. What's number 4, potato? It's? Look at 4. 4's work is they interview a person, they talk to people, they get the news. What do you think is their work? What's their work, potato?
Journalist.
Okay, very good. Journalist, correct. And next, potato. How about number 5? What's the work of number 5? He is a, look at here. 5 is, oh, it's not a musician, sorry. 5 is a, please read. It is a manager. Again, 5 is, yes, a manager. And 6, what is the work of number 6? 6 is, what's 6? 6 is, look at them. What's their work? They are doctors. Okay, very good. Now here, potato. How about you, potato? Potato, how about you? What work would you like to have when you grow up? Potato, what work would you like to have when you grow up? I want to become a what? What is it? I want to be a, what do you want?
One, two, eight.
I want to be
Doctor.
a doctor. Oh, Potato's job in the future is he wants to become a doctor. Now here, Potato, from all these jobs in here, which job here is boring? That you feel, oh, it's boring. I don't like this one. It's so boring. Which one? It's the,
Boring.
yeah, which job is boring? Like you don't like it. You feel bored. What job? It's what job you think is boring? It's potato. Which job is boring? It's the, come on, manager. Oh, so the manager's job is so boring? You don't like the manager? Okay, next here. How about how about potato? How about which one here is difficult? Difficult, very hard. What is the hardest job here? It's the hardest job is what? It's the, what is it? What's the hardest job do you think? Hello, potato. Are you still there? Yeah, which one here is the hardest job? Very difficult. It's the cook. Oh, cook is the difficult one. How about easiest? Like very, very easy. Which job is the easiest? So easy. It's the, what is it? It's the easiest. Okay, journalist. Because you're just going to interview and talk to people, right? So is that what you think? It's easy. Okay, look at here, potato. I want you to read the sentences and write the jobs from the crossword, okay? So example number 1, this person takes pictures of interesting places and people for the magazine. Okay, potato, please answer. Write your answer in here. Go.
Ngồi đây. Có cho nên. Con ơi, đừng bật tiếng không? Không hiểu. Mẹ đọc đây là không hiểu gì. Thế bảo Yến bảo mày ở nhà quản lý nó học tập trung sao? Mày bất tử à? Thằng chó này mà lừa cả.
Okay, Potato, listen. Can you enter again to the Zoom class, Potato? Because you still need to have more time in answering this, and I only have very few minutes in this Zoom. Can you enter again, Potato? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, enter, okay? Enter immediately. I'll be out for a second only, and then enter again, okay? Enter immediately.